In other news, Justice Minister Delroy Chuck is again urging families to write a will and plan their estates to reduce violence and family disputes. Carrie-Ann Simpson has details.
In 2025, more than 7,000 domestic violence cases were reported to the police. 34 murders were also linked to domestic disputes. It's against this backdrop that the Justice Minister is underscoring the importance of estate planning. In simple terms, it's arranging how the things you own should be distributed after death. Delroy Chuck says there's over $50 billion tied up in estates and assets at the Administrator General's Department.
I would like to get rid of the department. But the way to get rid of the department is everybody make a will. If you make a will, then there's no need for the Administrator General's Department. But the reason why the Administrator General's Department exists is because people don't make will, and therefore a government department has to assist in the disposal of the estate.
There's also a delay in paying out about $5 billion in cash due to inheritance disputes.
The end result, why we tighten with ADR, how do I get, people in the administrative department maybe to be trained in mediation so that they can bring the parties together to see if they can decide how the estate should be disposed of.
Mr. Chuck insists unresolved conflicts place a heavy burden on the Justice Department while contributing to tension within communities.
We have a major problem in that the Administrator General is burdened. They dispose of hundreds of cases every year. But the more they dispose of cases, the more cases come in.
Persons are again encouraged to write a will.
Deadlift needs ADR, alternative dispute resolution, more than anything else. Far too many conflicts emerge out of deadlift. And oftentimes it's because when the person dies, all the beneficiaries have nothing to. So they fight over the little that the person who died leaves. And I'm saying that it's important that we resolve these problems because they're contributing to the violence in our country.
Carrie-Ann Simpson, TVJ News.